The Ring Nebula, a complete guide to its science, history, myths, and discoveries. Table of contents, Introduction to the Ring Nebula. Scientific facts and discoveries, structure and composition, formation and evolution, latest research, historical observations and discovery, myths, legends and ancient interpretations, cultural significance and modern depictions, how to observe the Ring Nebula, fun facts and trivia, future exploration and open questions, glossary of terms, references, and further reading. 1. Introduction to the Ring Nebula. The Ring Nebula is one of the most famous planetary nebulae in the night sky. Located in the constellation Lyra, it is a glowing shell of gas, ejected by a dying star. Type: planetary nebula. Distance: approximately 2,300 light-years from Earth. Size: approximately 1 light-year in diameter. Apparent magnitude: plus 8.8 central star. A white dwarf with a surface temperature of approximately 125 degrees Celsius. 2. Scientific facts and discoveries. A. Structure and composition. The nebula appears as a ring, but in 3D it is more like a donut or barrel shape. In a ring, hydrogen glows red, oxygen glows blue-green, helium and nitrogen also present. Outer halo, faint, extended gas from earlier stellar ejections. Central white dwarf, the remnant core of the star. New discovery. JWST observations revealed complex structures inside the nebula, including dust filaments and molecular hydrogen knots. B. Formation and a sun-like star runs out of hydrogen fuel, expands into a red giant, shedding outer layers, ejects gas in pulses, forming the nebula. Exposed core becomes a white dwarf, ionizing the gas. The nebula will disperse in approximately 10,000 years. Controversial theory. Some scientists suggest binary star interactions shaped the nebula's structure. See latest research. James Webb Space Telescope revealed carbon-rich molecules in the nebula. Hubble and ALMA showed clumpy gas distribution and dust dynamics. Future studies will examine chemical enrichment from dying stars. 3. Historical observations and discovery. 1779, discovered by Antoine Darquire de Pellepoix, and independently by Charles Messier, who catalogued it as M57 1800s. Lord Ross's telescope first resolved the ring structure. Early 1900s. Spectroscopy confirmed it was glowing gas, not stars. 1990s present. Hubble, Spitzer, and JWST provided high-resolution images for myths, legends, and ancient interpretations. A. Possible ancient references. Babylonian astronomy. Some speculate that the Lyra of yore might have included M57, but no direct records confirm this. Greek mythology. The constellation Lyra represents Orpheus. Lyra could. The Ring Nebula have been seen as a celestial jewel. B. Indigenous sky lore. Native American tribes. Some Northern Hemisphere tribes may have seen the nebula as a smoke ring or portal to the spirit world, though no direct oral traditions are confirmed. See modern myths and misconceptions. It's a planet. Early astronomers called it a planetary nebula because it looked round like a planet. Aliens built it. Some fringe theories suggest artificial origins, but no evidence supports this. 5. Cultural significance and modern depictions. Art and literature. Featured in cipher books. Postage stamps. Appeared on a USPS Cosmos stamp in 2000. video games and movies. Inspired fictional ring-shaped structures. 6. How to observe the Ring Nebula. Best viewing time. Summer between the stars. Sheliak and Sulafat. In Lyra. Equipment needed. Binoculars. Shows a fuzzy patch. Small telescope. Reveals the ring shape. Nebula filter. Enhances details. Photography tips. Use long exposure astrophotography for color details. 7. Fun facts and trivia. The nebula expands at approximately 40,000 miles per hour. The central star is a crystallizing white dwarf. It's one of the brightest planetary nebulae. In 10,000 years, it will fade from view. 8. Future exploration and open questions. What triggers the asymmetrical shapes? How much carbon does it contribute to the galaxy? Will JWST find organic molecules inside? 9. Glossary of terms. Planetary nebula. Glowing gas from a dying star. White dwarf. Dead stellar core. Light-year distance light travels in a year. 10. References and further reading. NASA, ESA, Hubble, Ring Nebula images, JWST discoveries, ESA web updates, books, The Life and Death of Stars by Kenneth R. Lang. Final thought, the Ring Nebula is a stunning cosmic relic, blending science, history, and mystery. Whether you're an astronomer, myth enthusiast, or casual stargazer, it's a celestial wonder worth exploring. Would you like a printable observation guide? Let me know.